Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your license and saving work. This avoids interruptions. Open an elevated settings or control panel area and sign into the Microsoft account tied to Office. Once done, close Excel and other apps to free files for update. Make sure your OS has the latest security patches so the installer won't block. If you use an organization-managed device, contact IT for admin rights first. Otherwise, proceed to the Office Update pane to trigger the process. You now execute the update. In Excel, go to File, right arrow Account, right arrow Update Options, right arrow Update Now, and the click-to-run engine will download and install files. While it runs, watch progress and any prompts. If an update requires a restart, the installer will schedule it. If you prefer manual packages, download the offline installer from your Microsoft account and run it with admin rights. Make sure to have a stable internet connection and sufficient disk space before proceeding to installation. You complete the process by restarting your computer so Office registers all changes. After reboot, open Excel to confirm the updated version under File, right arrow Account, and run a quick macro or file open test to ensure add-ins work. If something goes wrong, run the built-in quick repair or online repair from Programs and Features. This fixes corrupted components without losing settings. If repair fails, review the update log or get help from Microsoft support, and make sure to restore backed up files if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.